When you start thinking about Christmas tree ideas for your home, you're not just choosing decorations, you're shaping the entire atmosphere of your space. A Christmas tree becomes the emotional center of the home during the holidays, the place where memories are made, photos are taken, and traditions come alive. One of the biggest advantages of exploring different Christmas tree ideas is that it allows you to express your personality in a very visual and meaningful way. Whether you love something elegant and luxurious, simple and minimal, or warm and rustic, your tree becomes a reflection of your style, and that alone makes your home feel more personal and inviting. Another benefit is how a well-designed Christmas tree can completely transform a room without needing to redecorate everything else. You can keep your furniture exactly the same, but the moment you introduce a beautifully decorated tree, the space feels festive, warm, and full of life. It's one of the most powerful seasonal decorations because of its scale and presence. Even a small apartment can feel magical with the right tree idea, especially if you play with lighting, color palettes, and textures in a thoughtful way. Lighting is one of the most important elements to consider, and it's also one of the easiest ways to elevate your tree. Warm white lights tend to create a cozy and classic atmosphere, while cool white lights feel more modern and clean. If you want something playful and nostalgic, multicolored lights can bring a sense of childhood joy. The way the lights interact with your ornaments, ribbons, and even the walls around the tree can completely change the mood of your home, especially at night. One of the best decorating ideas is to think in layers. Instead of just placing ornaments randomly, you can create depth by combining different sizes, finishes, and materials. Start with your lights, then add garlands or ribbons, and finally your ornaments. Mixing matte, glossy, and textured ornaments adds richness, while including natural elements like pine cones or wooden decorations brings warmth. This layering technique gives your tree a more professional and polished look without needing expensive decorations. Choosing a theme can also make the decorating process easier and more cohesive. For example, a white and gold tree feels elegant and luxurious, perfect if you want a refined look. A red and green tree is timeless and traditional, ideal if you love classic Christmas vibes. A neutral tree with beige, cream, and soft metallics creates a calm and modern atmosphere. And if you want something more unique, you can experiment with themes like winter wonderland, rustic farmhouse, or even a monochrome black and white tree for a bold statement. Another advantage of having a clear theme is that it helps you avoid over-decorating. Sometimes less really is more, especially in modern interiors. A tree with fewer, well-chosen decorations can look more sophisticated than one that feels overcrowded. It also allows each ornament to stand out and be appreciated, especially if you include meaningful pieces like family ornaments or handmade decorations. Beyond aesthetics, one of the biggest benefits of Christmas tree decorating is the experience itself. It's an activity that brings people together. Whether you're decorating with family, friends, or even by yourself, it becomes a moment to slow down and enjoy the season. For families, it's a chance to create traditions, like adding a new ornament each year or decorating the tree while listening to music and sharing stories. These moments often become the memories people cherish the most. If you have a smaller space, there are still plenty of creative options. You can go for a slim tree, a tabletop tree, or even a wall-mounted tree made with lights and minimal decorations. These ideas are perfect for apartments or rooms where space is limited, and they still deliver that festive feeling without overwhelming the area. In fact, smaller trees can sometimes feel even more intentional and stylish when decorated thoughtfully. For those who want something truly unique, you can experiment with unconventional Christmas tree ideas. Think of trees made from books, wooden branches, or even metal frames. These alternatives are great if you want a modern or artistic touch, and they can become a conversation piece in your home. They also work well if you prefer a minimalist approach or want to reduce the use of traditional materials. Another important suggestion is to consider the placement of your tree. Positioning it near a window can make it visible from outside, adding charm to your home's exterior. Placing it in a corner can create a cozy focal point, while putting it in the center of a room makes it the star of the space. Also, think about how it interacts with your existing decor. Try to match or complement the colors already present in your room so everything feels harmonious. If you have pets or small children, safety and practicality become important. You might want to use shatterproof ornaments, secure the tree properly, and avoid placing delicate decorations too low. This doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. There are many beautiful, durable decorations available that still look elegant while being safe. And when you really want to take your Christmas tree to the next level, it's all about the finishing touches, the small details that many people overlook, but that actually make a huge difference in how complete and intentional your tree feels. One of those details is the tree topper. This is like the final statement piece, the crown of your entire design. Whether you choose a classic star, an angel, or something more modern and abstract, the topper helps tie everything together. It gives your tree a sense of height and elegance, and it draws the eye upward, making the whole display feel more balanced. Another element that often gets underestimated is what happens underneath the tree. The base of your tree can be just as important as the top. Instead of leaving it exposed, you can use a beautiful tree skirt, a woven basket, or even layered fabrics to create a cozy and finished look. This area becomes even more special when you start placing wrapped gifts around it. And here's where you can get really creative. Coordinating your gift wrapping with your tree theme can elevate the entire aesthetic. Imagine a tree decorated in gold and white with gifts wrapped in the same tones. It creates a cohesive and almost magazine-worthy look that feels intentional and luxurious. There's also something very powerful about how your Christmas tree looks at different times of the day. During the daytime, natural light highlights the textures, colors, and details of your decorations. But at night, everything changes. The lights become the main focus, creating a warm, glowing atmosphere that can completely transform your mood. This is why investing time in arranging your lights properly is so important. Make sure they are evenly distributed and not just wrapped around the outer branches. Try to place some deeper inside the tree to create depth and a more magical glow. Another beautiful idea is to make your tree more personal and meaningful by including ornaments that tell a story. These could be souvenirs from trips, handmade decorations, or pieces that represent important moments in your life. Over time, your tree becomes more than just decoration. It becomes a collection of memories. And that's something that no store-bought theme can ever fully replace. It adds emotional value to your home and makes the experience of decorating even more special every year. You can also explore DIY decorations if you want something truly unique and budget-friendly. Simple things like dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, or handmade paper ornaments can add a natural and charming touch to your tree. These elements not only look beautiful, but can also add subtle scents that enhance the overall atmosphere of your home. Imagine walking into your living room and smelling hints of pine, cinnamon, and orange. It creates a sensory experience that goes beyond just visuals. And speaking of atmosphere, don't forget that your Christmas tree doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of a larger environment. Adding candles, soft blankets, and warm lighting around the tree can amplify that cozy feeling. Even something as simple as placing a comfortable chair nearby can turn that corner into a space where you want to sit, relax, and enjoy the moment. This is especially powerful during the evenings when the lights are dim and the tree becomes the heart of the room. If you're someone who likes to follow trends, you'll notice that Christmas tree styles evolve every year. Some seasons focus on natural and earthy tones, others lean into bold colors or metallic finishes. But one important piece of advice is not to feel pressured to follow trends if they don't resonate with you. The best Christmas tree is the one that feels authentic to your taste and makes you feel good in your own space. Trends can inspire you, but your personal style should always guide your final decisions. In the end, Christmas tree ideas are not just about decoration. They're about creating an atmosphere, telling a story, and making your home feel special during one of the most meaningful times of the year. The beauty of it is that there are no strict rules. You can follow trends, mix styles, or create something completely your own. What matters most is that your tree makes you feel happy every time you look at it, because that's the true magic of Christmas decorating.